So you're looking to join our company. It's a great place, so we really think you should. But when you're hired here, you're not just joining us, you're joining us. We're a member of Contractor Nation, one of the most transformative networks of home improvement and home service companies in North America. And for us, that means a lot. That means we use the best award-winning products in the industry. That means we're connected to hundreds of non-competing companies just like us who are our partners in success. That means we have access to unique tools tailored specifically to help us succeed in our industry. But what does it mean for you? Joining the Contractor Nation network through our company means you'll learn from national trainers through hands-on workshops and classes, equipping you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. It means you'll work with like-minded professionals in your same position at other network companies to gain new ideas and learn about creative solutions for the challenges you face. It means you'll have access to a team of over 200 Contractor Nation employees focused on supporting you in your role. From filming TV commercials and designing truck wraps to riding side by side with you on a sales call or troubleshooting software, the CN team is there for you when you need it. Speaking of support, it also means you'll have designated national contacts who have years of experience in your role in our industry. They've been in your shoes and they want to help. It means you'll belong to a community of thousands of professionals across North America with a strong growth mindset who are solely focused on elevating their performance in their communities. Being a part of our company and belonging to Contractor Nation means a lot, but most importantly, it means you'll be part of something bigger. Join the nation, join us.